Hey everybody, how's it going? Sam here. We are going to do a quick installation video for this Subaru logo projection light replacement that I got from Amazon here on my 2019 Subaru Outback. You're only going to need to buy 2 of these because for the Subaru Outback, only your 2 front doors will have these lights. The 2 back doors have no lights on the underside of it, so just, I only needed 2 of these. So all right, let me just go ahead and readjust the camera right here for you guys. What you're going to want to do is, this side is actually towards the handle of the door. This other side is towards the inside of the car. So the point is right here. You'll want to go ahead and take a little wedge tool, go in there, and then there you go. You just pry that out. It just kind of comes out, and let's see, I'll bring you guys in a little closer right here. So there you go. So you pry that out, and then it'll come down. There you go. And then that's pretty much it. So that's gonna come out, and then you just go ahead and disconnect this plug right here. Let's see here. There we go. Disconnect that. That comes down, and then not a lot of give on this wire on the internal, so it's not a lot of extra length, so it's kind of hard to work with, but it's easy. You just kind of line it up, pull it out a little bit, plug that in, there we go, and then just push that in, and then that's it. Now I noticed the fit on this is not as tight as the original, as you can tell. It'll kind of move around a little bit. So if I tap on the light, you'll see it kind of moves a little bit. So it might require, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and probably put some tape around the outside of it. That way that kind of fills up that gap. And also I noticed I installed it the wrong one. I think this one is belonging to the passenger side door, not the driver's side, so the logo's upside down, so I'm gonna have to take that out and redo that again. But that's pretty much the gist of it. So it's pretty simple to replace, get it done in under 5 minutes or so. All right, hope you guys enjoy the video. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. All right guys, so the solution I came up with is, you can see I put a little bit of automotive tape, double-sided automotive tape, on each side. So here, 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 and here. I left a little red tape on so I can remove it, but show you guys, what I did. But you just peel that back, and then you go, and then you can just go ahead and insert that light that I've shown you previously, and then it will have no give after that. So I hope this helps. All right, so this is after I installed the light with the tape, the little dampener here. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the light. You see that? I mean, I covered it, but there you go. So if I'm tapping on it, there's no give now. So that's how you can take care of that small fitment issue. But other than that, looks pretty good. Sun's going down pretty fast, so now you're able to see the light a lot more. So yeah, there you go guys.